department is now in session. Who's next?
Hey.
Hey.
So is this a heart department?
Yes, yes. This is. What?
The pump up your heart department?
Yes, yes. This is the pump up your heart department.
Yeah. So I have a problem here.
What exactly is the problem?
You see, I have a heart like everyone else here.
Yeah.
But the kid who bullied me in my second standard did not have a heart. But that's okay. But I have a heart here, and it looks to be dead.
Yeah, that looks pretty dead. So
Yeah.
I'm guessing you wanna pump up your heart. You wanna re-energize your heart.
Yes.
You wanna re-enliven your heart.
Oh yes. Okay, that sounds exciting.
Great.
Okay, that's exactly why I'm here.
Okay, cool. So what we tend to do is
Yeah.
we take your heart
Okay.
and we put it into a relationship.
Relationship sounds yummy.
Oh yes, it's yummy.
Yep.
Spicy, everything in between.
Wow. Okay. I'm all of that. I like all of that. Wow.
And it's meant for needy, crazy people and people on the crazy train.
Wow. I'm all of that. Okay. Very perfectly.
See that? So now that you're sure that you want to get into a relationship.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So if you want to get into a relationship, what we tend to do is we take your heart and we place and we need to ask you a few questions.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good with questions.
You're good with questions?
Yep.
All right. So your first question is, what kind of girl do you like? What I mean by that is, do you like them quiet or do you like them talkative?
Silent, because I'm a very talkative person, so I would want her to be very, very silent.
I can see
Not
that, but,
very.
see, there's a problem.
What's the problem?
We don't really find too many silent.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Maybe we can find something in the middle.
Oh, okay. I'll go with that. I'll adjust. That's
Alright,
okay.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. What color of hair do you like?
Red. Yes, like those. Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Red. What color of eyes do you like?
Green, like those walls. Yeah. Okay. Green.
Green.
Yeah.
Oh, red and green.
Yep.
Red and green like a Christmas tree.
Like a Christmas tree. Yes. Oh, okay. That's great.
Christmas tree.
Yeah, I like that
What
already.
else do you like? Would you like in a girl?
Specifications?
Yeah.
A girl from 12B.
12B.
My class, 12B.
Oh, class 12B. Okay. Anybody specific in 12B?
No, but I would love it if it was Mary.
Oh, okay. So you want to be in a relationship with Mary?
Yes, Mary.
Are you sure you want to be in a relationship with
Yes, Mary it is. But wait a minute. Or the girl sitting next to Mary also is fine.
Mary? Make up your mind. Mary or the girl sitting next to Mary?
No, I'll go for Mary. She studies better, so yeah.
Okay. So you wanna? So let's put your heart into a relationship with Mary. Then.
Yes, okay.
Okay. So you are officially in a relationship with Mary.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, let me just call my buddy and tell. Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I'm in a relationship. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in a relationship with Mary. Oh, you don't want? Yeah. Oh, go die. Okay. He doesn't want to hear the same, so yeah. But whatever. I'm in a relationship with Mary.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
So, I just want to know what do you intend in doing in this relationship?
Oh, okay. I've got it all planned out. Okay, so first me and Mary gets into a relationship, and then we talk because we have a lot to talk. Okay, then she talks to me alone. Okay, not to other guys. Okay, and then we go out and we have ice cream. I give her ice cream, she gives me ice cream, and then some cheesy moments. Yeah, okay, and then it just keeps going on and at the end we get married, and it just keeps going on forever. Wow.
Sorry to pop your bubble or burst your bubble or whatever you want to call it.
Word.
Given that you're needy, and I'm guessing she's needy, these relationships tend to last for 7 to 8 months.
7 to 8 months?
Yeah, 7 to 8 months.
Are you kidding me? I mean, that's not true. Like, that's not what Disney says. They say it's forever.
Disney says for everything ever. So
Wait, you mean Disney has been lying to me?
I don't know what Disney has been doing to you, but yeah, I guess so.
I've been watching Disney all my life.
It really doesn't matter what Disney has been doing, sir.
Okay, I need some time.
Okay. You want to take some serious time, or you want to?
I'm over Disney. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't want to be in a relationship.
No, I don't want to be in a
You don't want to be
relationship.
with Mary.
Nope.
Okay, so
Because I thought it would be more long-lasting and forever kind of thing, but
No, it's not
looks
forever.
like very
It's
short-living. Yeah.
So what happens in a relationship when you break it off is your heart gets ripped in two.
Wait! Don't do that to my heart.
You don't want to. Okay, no.
No. Oh. All right.
If you don't want to be in a relationship, the next alternative is an addiction.
An addiction sounds like an healthy alternative.
It's a very healthy alternative.
Okay, that's
we
cool.
We have a long list, right from A to Z. We have so many alternatives.
Oh, okay, bring it on.
Yeah. A for alcohol, G
Okay.
for gaming, gambling. We
Wow.
have T for Twitter, F for Facebook.
FB, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, I like all that. How do I get all that? How do I get all that?
Yeah. So you can get it from different sources, but the easiest source is your S or your M. S stand for your smartphone or.
Oh, smartphone, like the one that I have in my pocket.
Yeah. So,
Wow, okay.
Yeah, so you can spend so much time on this thing, and it's so addictive.
Wow. Okay, so smartphone sounds like the perfect addiction.
Yeah, it got a lot of things. You have gaming, you have PUBG, you have other things. Like, take away your time. You won't even know that time passes by. You can look through people's lives, celebrities' lives, what Kareena Kapoor is doing on this particular moment in time.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
so
So you won't even know that time flies by. So it's the perfect addiction for you, sir.
what is an addiction?
An addiction is like a tire which is inflates and deflates and inflates and deflates.
Deflates, okay.
Okay, but you got to go back to you got to go back and inflate it and then deflate it so that you get self-worth from it.
Oh, wait a minute. So you mean I have to keep going back to it like as if it's like like lifetime contract or something?
Yeah, it is very much a lifetime contract.
Oh, okay. So
Are you not interested in this anymore?
no, not an addiction because I thought that also would be kind of long lasting, but it's very short lived and I have to keep
so
going
you
back to
break
it.
your bubble again, but that does not last forever.
Oh, great. So I don't want an addiction, I guess.
So I guess you don't want a relationship, you don't want an addiction.
Yeah.
I guess we should break up your heart.
Wait. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, my self-esteem has already been doing a good job in hurting myself and others have been doing a great job in hurting my heart. So don't do that to my heart. No.
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 Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I guess that you don't want a relationship and an addiction. I guess there's only one way.
What way?
His way.
Whose way?
God's way.
I say?
All the way.
Do I delay?
Do it today.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So now that you've, so you know what to do, right?
You tell me. I don't know.
All right. So what you have to do is give your heart to Christ.
Oh, okay. So how do I do that?
You get into a relationship with Him.
Okay.
You start believing in Him,
Mm-hmm.
and I can give you a moment to do that. Take a moment and believe in Jesus Christ. as your
Okay,
Lord
so
and
I'll take
Savior.
my moment now?
Yeah, you can take a moment.
Okay. All right.
All right. How do you feel?
I feel new. Wait a minute. Where's my heart? What is that like a new heart? What is this?
It's a new heart. Yeah, it's gift wrap and everything from Jesus, personally delivered.
Wow, okay. So I get a new heart for free?
Yeah, it's for free.
Okay, I feel different already.
Yeah, you feel. Yeah, tell me how you feel. I really want to know how you feel right now.
Like I have this peace inside me that I cannot understand right now, but
Alright.
it feels great.
Oh, okay.
So what is that peace?
It's a peace when you accept Jesus Christ in your heart. He gives you a peace that you really can't explain. too
Okay.
much. Yeah, so I think we have something to give you.
Oh, okay. What is it?
We have a manual which we can give it to you.
Okay. Oh, interesting. Bedtime stories?
No, not that one.
Yeah.
Sorry. This is the manual for your heart.
Oh, the Holy Bible. So you write books, huh?
No, it's not mine. It's written by the inspired word of God.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
God wrote this book.
Yeah, God wrote the book.
Wow, okay. That is big.
Yeah, it's pretty big, but it's pretty useful.
Oh, okay. So how long do I read it?
Till your heart's content.
So is it important?
Oh, you treasure it.
So is it good?
Oh, it's sweeter than honey.
Wow, okay, thanks so much. I love this already. So I kind of owe you a lot. I'm like thankful to you that.
No physical
Can
contact.
I just give you a hug?
We,
Just happy. So like you gave me these things, no? So I'm
there's
just
no physical contact.
yeah. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah. Don't thank me. Thank God. Thank Jesus.
Oh, Jesus gave me all this.
Yeah, Jesus gave it to you for free. See, it's gift wrap.
Wow. Okay. So what do I do for this Jesus who gave me all these things?
I guess now that He's given you all these things, you should probably just live out your life for Him.
Oh, okay. Like how the manual says.
Yeah, and as the manual points out, live out your life as the manual points out. Try to live it out day by day.
So I should be reading this manual every day, treasuring it,
Treasuring
and
it.
it tastes sweeter than honey. So it should be my favorite dish in the world.
It's not a dish, it's more something you read.
Oh, okay. I was talking in the spiritual aspects, but whatever. Yeah. So I should be going by that.
Yes.
Okay. So I guess I'll do that then.
Alright.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright, cool. So, What do you give your heart to? I mean, when your heart's broken and crushed, what do you run to? Do you run to your addictions? Do you run to a relationship? Do you go somewhere else so that you can fix your heart?
Wait. Like, do I need to stay here or something?
no,
I
you
just
can
say,
go.
okay.
Well, I'll give it to him as a go. Where do you go to? And what we've figured out and what we've come to know through our lives is that only Jesus can really fix your heart and no one else can, and that's what we want to really